Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC. We're here at SC17 in Denver, Colorado, and today we're at the DDN booth with James Coomer. James, welcome to Denver.
Thank you.
Yeah, well why don't we start at the beginning? Who is DDN and who do you help?
So DDN are really the de facto company for storage at scale. So we've been in HPC storage for about 20 years now, and basically if you want high performance storage, the first place you come is DDN.
Well, great. So as a baseline, that's terrific, but what are you showcasing this week?
Right, we're getting really deep this week. We've been working for about 5 years on a software product called IME, Infinite Memory Engine, and that really does things very differently. But remember, we do a lot of products. We do object stores, which scale out geographically highly distributed. We do parallel file systems, both spectrum scale and luster, and we deploy those on the fastest storage machines on the planet, the SFA system. And then finally, we've been developing for 5 years the IME product, GA'd this last year, and this is scale out flash, extreme performance, really next generation software architectures.
So is DDN just for the high end, the very fastest computers, or do you scale down as well?
So the 4 things that DDN's about is flexibility, different workflows, scale, speed, and customer focus, data at scale. The scale question you said, we start in 4U and deliver up to 40 gigabytes a second, 3.5 million IOPS in that 4U platform. So that's really starting small.
And how does that kind of bandwidth, how does that benefit, application performance?
Right, so it's not just about bandwidth, and that's what DDN's been all about. Let's forget about just talking about gigabytes a second. It's about everything else that your applications actually do. So across machine learning, life sciences, oil and gas, research, academia, nobody is running benchmarks. They are all doing application codes. That does different sorts of IOPS, random I/O, malaligned I/O, shared file I/O, all this different stuff. And what we do is all that stuff as well as is possible with the media we have.
And if I come to DDN, is it a luster-only solution, or do you have a breadth of things?
That's a very good question. We have an object store that's highly scalable. We do both GPFS, stroke spectrum scale, and luster. And we deploy those in a variety of different ways, very flexible. And then we also have this immense burst buffer flash architecture. So quite a spectrum, sort of end-to-end, super fast, flash-based scale-out through to geographically distributed object stores.
Very exciting. Well, it sounds like a lot of activity here at the DDN booth. Have a good week at SC17.
Thank you very much, Rich.